Welcome to our Prison of Knowledge YouTube channel. In this step-by-step video, we will dive into the fascinating topic of understanding your emotions and provide a clear guide on how to identify and manage triggers that can affect your emotional well-being. Emotions play a significant role in our lives, and developing the ability to recognize and manage them can lead to improved self-awareness and better emotional resilience. Join us on this journey as we explore the steps to understanding and effectively managing your emotions. Step 1. The importance of emotion awareness. Understand the significance of emotional awareness in your daily life. Learn how emotions impact your thoughts, behaviors, and relationships. Explore the benefits of cultivating emotional intelligence. Step 2. Identifying emotional triggers. Discover common triggers that elicit emotional responses. Explore various types of triggers, including external events, situations, and internal thoughts. Reflect on your own experiences to identify personal triggers. Step 3. Recognizing physical and behavioral responses. Explore how emotions manifest in physical sensations and behaviors. Learn to identify physical cues, such as increased heart rate, shallow breathing, and muscle tension. Understand the connection between emotions and behaviors, such as withdrawal, aggression, or avoidance. Step 4. Developing emotional self-awareness. Cultivate mindfulness to observe and understand your emotions without judgment. Practice self-reflection to gain insight into the underlying causes of your emotional triggers. Utilize journaling techniques to track and analyze your emotional patterns. Step 5. Strategies for managing triggers. Discover effective techniques to manage and navigate through triggering situations. Learn relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing exercises and progressive muscle relaxation. Explore cognitive strategies like reframing negative thoughts and challenging irrational beliefs. Step 6. Building emotional resilience. Understand the importance of building emotional resilience in managing triggers. Learn self-care practices to enhance emotional well-being. Develop healthy coping mechanisms, such as seeking social support and engaging in hobbies or activities that bring joy. Step 7. Practice and integration. Put your newfound knowledge into practice in your daily life. Continuously reflect on and refine your understanding of your emotions and triggers. Celebrate your progress and resilience along the way. Final thoughts. Understanding your emotions and effectively managing triggers is a transformative journey that can lead to improved emotional well-being and resilience. By following these step-by-step guidelines, you can enhance your emotional self-awareness, navigate through triggering situations with more ease, and cultivate a greater sense of emotional balance. Join us as we explore the depths of emotions and empower ourselves to lead happier, healthier lives.